Hot Pepper Dave tries a Pimenta Bela Purple, 1 million Scovilles.
I believe it's a little more than that. Unbelievable. Has a great taste, a good background, a follow-up flavor, and I don't think it's a million. I'd say it's up about 1.8 million. This is close to Reaper class. Is what this is.
I can't believe you're able to eat
I
it.
don't even want to think about touching the seed. Has a great taste. In the background taste, there's I always look for the cinnamon taste in the back of a pepper, and this has it.
What
Great.
was your reaction for the first bite? You made a...
Whoa!
Yeah.
But it's delicious. The pepper is really good. The meat. I'm terrified to eat a seed. This is Doug in reality. Insanity.